delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Today I have an amazing video on why I slice my food before I freeze it. And even if I'm going to create a menu that I want to be ready in minutes. I'm using flap, but you can use skirt or any other tasty and delicious meat. I slice it either in strips or half so that it's about an inch or less thick. I seasoned with garlic and oregano and place it under the broiler for 45 seconds. But my chicken breasts that are boneless, I slice in half. That way they cook more moist and delicious, and they're ready in 2 to 3 minutes. I've seasoned one with garlic, basil, and yogurt, and the other with Dijon mustard and yogurt. Slice your meats and season them before you freeze them. That way, as soon as you come home, you'll have a meal that's amazing in less than 10 minutes. My salmon, for example, already comes portioned, so I don't have to slice it. I place it in a pan, add some basil that I have frozen, and some ginger, orange juice, and that's it. Voila! Beautiful! Cooking can be easy and delicious in minutes with Chef Pachi. Subscribe and get notified every time I have a delicious idea for you. With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.